Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily create your WhatsApp link or how you can easily get your WhatsApp link. By following the few simple steps that I show you now, you'll be able to get your WhatsApp link very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes. By saying that, let's start the video. At first, go to any messaging platform or where you can enter your text or write your text, or you can directly go to the WhatsApp app and open any conversations. And here in the message box you have to create your WhatsApp link, because there is no direct option to get your WhatsApp link, so you have to do a little trick. And here to create your WhatsApp link you have to enter wa.me/ and then you have to enter your country code. My country code is +977. And after entering your country code you have to enter your WhatsApp number. I'll enter mine. And after entering your WhatsApp number, you just have to tap on send. Then you'll be able to easily send your WhatsApp link to your friends and families. Or you can say you can easily create your WhatsApp link. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful, even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.